Hey, I'm Kate. Let me tell you about some of the support I receive at Coleg Gwent as an autistic student. Sometimes I need to check in with the autism coach, like here with Reese. We might go for a walk to help me regulate, or just chat through support and strategies. I'll sometimes go to the green room, where the green room coordinator or Coleg Gwent support team help me with my well-being. Throughout the week, I have out-of-class academic support to help me keep up with my work. I use the library and its amazing equipment to support my neurodiverse needs, such as sound timers, fidget toys, floor mats, and a floor desk. I also love the puzzles they have. They're great for mindfulness and regulation. My tutors understand me and my needs. For example, if I'm feeling dysregulated, they might give me some blue tack to help. Coleg Gwent is an amazing and supportive environment for neurodiverse learners. I found that when I let staff know my needs, they do their best to support me.